So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our task is to clean up this garden. I will I will go through each and every area, like this one, this messed up area, and there's a hell of a lot more of debris over there. So what my task will be is to clean this up as much as possible so that I can make this garden look like a garden. It is looking like a garden. It is not that much bad, but it is a mess right now. And after this project, if we have the time, if we have the time to plant anything, I would like to get these plants in the ground, which I bought today only. Okay, I have posted the video in a reel, so you can watch that. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's just hop into the video. So it's not tremendously looking bad, but this is what happens during the monsoon season over here in our area. That a lot of weeds, uncontrollable weeds come up, like these grasses and these, I don't even know what they're called. So yeah, and also this cypress vine, it was like, let me be the king of this jungle. Okay, I just torn apart many of the branches. I will clean many more cypress vine from this year, and I think it was a mistake because I didn't think that in so much small container this will get this much big. I have to keep it in control. So that thing we will take care of, and we will take care of this area and over this area also a little bit, and maybe this area, and the worst case is there, that area. So yeah, let's just hop into the work. But except for the weed part, everything looks pretty. The lush green and even the wild cypress vine looks good. And look at the color over there, and look at the bougainvilleas. I think the views are pretty clear, right? Just needs a little bit of maintenance, which I am a little bit short of. So yeah. Okay, so after struggling so much and with so much humidity around, I finally at least tried my best to clean up this mess. Although I don't know how I have captured everything because I don't even know what to do at this moment. Okay, and yeah, this area looks cleaned. It's not 100% clean, it is almost 70% clean, and I can't clean more than that right now at this moment because it will rain again and it is wet. How can I clear mud? So yeah, that's the thing. Next, my target is this area, this patch, and what my plan is to get this area cleaned up and put my water garden, all the water plants which I am having with me right now, to gather over there. Okay, because that area gets the morning sun, very good morning sun, and it if every water plant is over there, it will look clearer, I guess. So yeah, and it will be easy to maintain as well. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so we are going to lose light right now, and it's also very hot. but I am very happy with the things that we have end up with. So let me give you a final look. Remove that sack from over there. I will remove it. It is very heavy right now, so I have kept it over there. But other than that, I think this area looks quite cleaned for now. Yeah, there are weeds, but it will take more time than I initially thought to clean up everything, because it's monsoon. It's like today I am removing a patch of weeds. After 1 week, same thing again happening, and obviously I am not that much. Uh, I do not have that much time to do everything every week, right? Again and again. So this happens. So that area, that's monstrous area over there, it's still, you can't see that because of this hedge of this jasmine, but from here you will be able to see that, the broken pots and all those stuffs. So that's how real gardening looks like. It's not about always looking pretty. There will be some spaces which will be nice looking. Always there will be some spaces which will be worse looking. And as far as another plan which I initially thought, you see that lemongrass over there. So what I thought is that initially to place the lemongrass in the center, and the to circum what to say to keep these pots around that lemongrass, so that it will be like a grassy and meadow. I don't know if I am correct, but that kind of look will happen. But if you see over here, if I remove these uh, jungle, if you see from this angle, it looks quite nice. Look at the different colors, textures. The chartreuse color, then this deep, this color of this particular crepe myrtle, then that, although that is an annual, but it looks good. Then that again one red colored ixora, and then from within those are turmeric plants, and those that is a grass, and then there's this huge patch of green again. So it looks pretty. So I don't think that I will be disturbing that plant from there. It looks good. Yeah. So yeah, that's how also garden looks like. Sometimes you initially would have thought to do something, but then again something happens that no, let's change that plan. So yeah, that's how it goes, and that's how we will go. For example, like these videos that I'm posting right now, in this year I have posted one video, and I have told that every week I will be posting this kind of long videos, one video at least, showing you everything that is going on in my garden and how I'm handling things, with the worst case scenario obviously, because yeah, I don't get time that much. So yeah, and shorts I post here and there. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.